Hi, this is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we'll be dealing with the Duet washing machine that has a green button that no longer works, and we're going to teach you how to fix it for under $1. First, we're going to remove the back by removing these 3 screws, and we're going to lift it up slightly and pull it back towards you to remove the lid. Now we have to pull out the detergent drawer by pressing down on this tab and then pulling it towards you. Now we remove this screw so that we can get the control panel off. And we're going to open the door, use a standard head screwdriver, and push up on this plastic tab. And this is what it looks like once you've got that tab pushed up. Next thing is we're going to remove this electrical connector from the rear control, and next we'll pull that cable out of the 4 or 5 holders to free it up, and we're going to pull that cable out the front of the machine. Now that we have the control off, we're going to use a standard head screwdriver to pry off this dial. Now we're going to turn the assembly over, and using a standard head screwdriver we're going to gently press on these tabs so that we can separate the interface from the control panel, and we're going to gently lift up to remove it. Here's the green button. We turn it to the left to set it free. It may be broken and you can just lift it right out. And then here's where it used to be connected before the plastic piece broke. And here's the plastic tab showing where it used to be connected onto the interface. And this is the green button poking through the Gorilla Tape or duct tape prior to reassembly. This is how you cut the hole in the duct tape or Gorilla Tape to put the green button through. So you just tear off a piece. We're going about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, and then fold it over, not the sticky side but the non-sticky side together like that, and then take a pair of scissors and just come in at a 45-degree angle to make a cut. And then we're going to do the same 45-degree angle coming in from the other side. I think I'll just flip over the tape. We're just trying to cut out a center section. 45, 45, this side. And we pull away that part we cut. And when we open it up, we have an area that we can put the green button through. And in terms of whether Gorilla Tape or duct tape is better, both work great. Duct tape might be even better because it's a little bit thinner and it'll hold the button in place but allow it to be a little bit more flexible. I've used both and both seem to work fine, so either the Gorilla Tape or the duct tape. Okay, works good. Now we have to glue the green button back onto the plastic piece using contact cement. And here's what it looks like when it's glued together and then pressed up against the Gorilla Tape. And here's the assembly ready to be connected back onto the interface. The red arrows show where we're going to connect the duct tape and the switch back onto. And then this part's really important. We have to make sure that this plastic post we see with the red arrow pointing to is pressing down on that red button as we push the tape down to hold it securely. And here we have the videotape of testing the unit before we install it back in the washer. And after pressing, the machine starts as it should. So the whole technique did work well, but this is just an important thing to do before we actually put it back into the machine. And then here we have the interface connected back to the control panel. We're testing it one more time just to make sure that the button's working normally. And that's all it takes. I hope this video has saved you some money. The interface usually costs $350, and hopefully you have fixed your machine for under $1. Thank you for watching.